Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable soup broth. First, gather your core vegetables: 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, and 1 onion. Next, add aromatics like 2 garlic cloves and 1 bay leaf for a rich flavor profile. Ensure you have a large pot, ideally 6 quarts or more, to accommodate all ingredients comfortably. This foundation is key for a delicious, homemade broth, perfect for any recipe. Now, roughly chop all your vegetables into 1-inch pieces. Precision isn't necessary here. Place them into your large pot. Cover the vegetables completely with 8 to 10 cups of cold water, ensuring everything is submerged. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat. Let it cook for at least 45 minutes or up to 2 hours to extract maximum flavor. Once your broth has simmered sufficiently, it's time to strain it. Carefully pour the entire contents through a fine mesh sieve into another large bowl or pot. Press down on the solids to extract any remaining liquid. Discard the cooked vegetables; their flavor has been fully extracted. Allow the broth to cool completely before transferring it to airtight containers. Store it in the fridge for up to 5 days. For the best flavor, avoid using cruciferous vegetables like broccoli or cabbage, as they can make your broth bitter. If you've made a large batch, freeze your broth in 1-cup portions for up to 6 months, perfect for future meals. And speaking of meal prep, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. They're perfect for storing your homemade broth or any other delicious creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.